Alright. Master lock, number 3. Can't really see it. Big, top of a big pen. Bobby pin. Here, hold that. I'm going to put the tension wrench in for her. Remember how to hold it? Yep. Put it in like that.
Can't put it in.
There you go. You're doing it. Oh, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push this.
I can't. I got it.
Oh.
Give me $1. Give me $1. Give me $1.
Say, hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
I'm 3.
I'm 3.
And I just picked a lock.
Now pick the lock.
That shouldn't be.
That can be.
Say, I'm coming to a house near to you.
I'm coming to a house near to you.
Say, this is for educational purposes only.
No.
Yeah, you have to.
Why?
Because I said so. Say, it's for education.
For education.
Only.
Only.
So don't do it.
So don't do it.